A man is splashing paint across a canvas. This is Jackson Pollock, the artist whose works are valued at hundreds of millions. To summon the spirit of Pollock into the AI era, I ordered a keyboard. Actually, I ordered 35 of them. I used them to build a massive canvas, about 2.2 meters wide and 1 meter tall. First, I laid all the keyboards onto my palette and connected them to my computer. Let's test it out. It works perfectly. I'll even say hello. Hi Jackson, this is AI Pollock. Instead of just typing a greeting into Notepad, I'll input it as a prompt into a generative AI. A cute puppy greets me. Now, let's try a new prompt. Anything you want to draw. And the AI generated this image. Haha. The structure is simple. When I paint on this keyboard canvas, an artwork is generated. Just like this. Briefly, let me explain the AI behind this. It's a generative program called ComfyUI. I've set it up so that images are created the very moment a prompt is entered. For example, if I type a cat is generated in real time. If I add on the table, it reflects in the image instantly. Adding white or with black tail works the same way. The key is that it updates immediately without having to press a run button. It's just like Pollock. With every brushstroke, the painting on the canvas evolves and transforms in real time. The only difference is that while Pollock used the force of gravity, I use the power of algorithms. Now, let's create AI Pollock. First, I prepare my favorite gray paint bucket, an extra container, and a cloth to wipe them down. Of course, it's not real paint. A painting is being created through brushstrokes without a single drop of ink. Can you see it? This is AI Pollock. I open the paint bucket with a scraper and clean it up. What a beautiful color. Pollock's action painting? No, I call this acting painting. The generation speed can't quite keep up with my brushstrokes yet, but it's faithfully reflecting the traces of my movement. By the time the RTX 9990 is released, it will probably be instantaneous. My brush is actually stiff with old paint, but that doesn't matter. Oh, that was a mistake. A random window popped up. Let's just say it's paint splattered outside the canvas. I'll even poke it with a plastic finger toy. Can you see this beautiful painterly work, or is it just me? I poured my artistic soul into it using scrapers and palette knives. And since I've seen a few things online, I prepared a marble performance. It's a technique often used by modern action painters. Instead of paint, I'm pouring marbles that have actual physical weight. Dropping them one by one isn't satisfying enough, so I'll do it all at once. I want to melt these marbles into my masterpiece. Here goes nothing. Thank you for watching the process. Now, here is the finished piece. The first ever creation born from AI Pollock. Jackson Pollock 2.0. Co-created by Co and Flux. Comfy UI on custom built 35 keyboard interface. Year 2025.